So which one is it on the top? We don't know, but the up is giving a problem. Not so bad with that. So, where do you feel the pain? All of it. All of it. Okay.
So you're trying to say no sinus.
Yes, it's possible that there's some underlying sinus issues that needs to be treated. Sorry?
Did you test it?
What?
Did I have sinus?
No, we see on the X-ray. Okay. I'm not saying that you 100% have it. It's a possibility that could be cleared or ruled away.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new and you come across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Nomonde. You're welcome. Please feel free to go through my videos, watch them, like them, and also if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. To my regular subscribers, hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to open this vlog. I bought some veggies. Today is Friday and I bought some fruit and veggies and some chicken. So let me show you what I bought.
Why not cute?
Over here I have onion. I bought 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, some lemon, spinach, some nachos. And then at Food Lovers I bought some pumpkin and spinach, and then pears. All these fruits and some veggies I bought at the stalls in town. And then over here I bought 2 trays of chicken at Pick n Pay and sausage. This we are going to have for supper for today. And also I had to buy some milk. I only bought 1 liter. Also at Pick n Pay their eggs are quite affordable. I bought 30 eggs for I think 70 rand. And then this is a muffin for Kanya. At Food Lovers I also bought these continental rolls and some cheese as well from Pick n Pay.
Open eyes to see the day the universe is made.
is my supper for tonight. It's Monday evening and I've got leftover food. There is meatballs, there's a chicken wing, sweet potato, some bean salad, and spinach. So this is my supper for tonight. I'm going to have that. I'm feeling a bit cold because it was raining and I almost got wet in the rain. Hey guys, I'm back from work. It's Thursday today and I jumped straight into my gown and nightie because it's going to rain soon and it's cold. So now I am making some supper. We are going to have mince roti, but before that I want to have 2 slices of bread because I'm hungry. I didn't have enough food to eat at work. So yeah, I'm making now toasted peanut butter sandwich with rooibos tea. So that's what I'm making. And I'm cooking my mince over here. This is the onion, garlic, and some peppers. Then I'm going to add some, and then that will be the meal for today. It's a quick one because I'm tired, and yeah, it's after 6, so I want us to eat before 7. All right guys, I'll chat to you later.
Once in a while I dream. Once in a while I think of you. I reminisce on days gone by when you and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me. But I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night. Since we have ended, I just pretend I have a reason to live. It's sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream. So sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream. Pardon my plea, but would you allow if once in a while I dream?
when you say when love goes away, that hasn't been said before. I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone. And I sit alone, my heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone, and honestly I don't know why. I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone, and honestly I cannot believe all the tears that I've cried. I'm all alone, and honestly I don't know why.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am back from work and I am closing the vlog off here. I think I've been dragging it for quite some time, and the reason is that my phone broke. I didn't have a phone for quite a while and I was just not in a good mood, or so, but I just told myself when I get a new phone I will vlog. So I am closing the vlog now, and it's Friday afternoon. I just came back from work. Yeah, I will see you on the next one. I hope that you have enjoyed. I hope that this vlog will make sense as well, because it's just all over. It's just all over. And I will see you on the next one, okay? Have a good weekend. Bye.